Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create a split screen video in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we are going to click on create button in the left side toolbar, and here you can either search for landscape video or you can simply select the landscape video, right? So here is the blank template of landscape video, and now we are just going to elements. I'm going to teach you three style split screen video, right? So we are going to elements and here we are going to search for grid. Okay, now we have grids, so we are going to click on see all grids, and here there are lots of kind of grids available, so you can select any of them and then you can simply go to the elements. For example, I am going to create a video which is related to nature, so I am going to search for mountain, and here I am going to drag and drop this mountain video, or we can also search for nature so that it could be easier for us. You can upload your video as well using the uploads option. Okay, you can also change the position of the video, right, in any of the grid. For example, I just want to change the position of the video in the first grid, so I will double click on that and I can simply move the video, right, as per our requirement. So this is the first method, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the another method as well, right? Here I'm going to search for alphabets frame, right? For example, I just want to add D frame. Now I frame, now G frame, now again we can duplicate this iframe again, right? We can reduce the size if it is too large. Now T frame, it is also very nice split screen video we are going to create. Where is the T frame? Have T frame went for the lunch? You can find it, right, in the frames. Let us find it where it is. T frame, we are not going to leave you, right? And then A frame, and then L frame. Okay, so we are going to reduce its size so all frame can be of same size. Okay, we can change the background color for a while, so I'm going to search for gradient and we can add any gradient color in the background so our video can be visible. Done. And here I'm going to search for technology, going to videos, and here we can simply add the technology videos into it, and it will look very nice, right? Believe me, this video would be worth watching, right? So in this manner you can simply create a split screen video of text as well. Now coming to the third method, it's looking nice, right? We can change the background as well as per your requirement. Now we are going to create a third style grid video, right? So I have created a blank template again, and here I'm going to search for frame, and in all, see all frames, right? We can use this one, increase its size. Now going to duplicate this and place it like this. If you don't want boundary, then you can collide them. Now we are going to go for the elements, and we can simply place our video into them, right? So in this way you can simply edit each and every videos. You can also trim the video, right, from where you want to start that video to end, right? For example, I just want to trim this video, then I can simply select it and can click on trim, and here I can simply adjust the timing of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.